Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install BimLand's Performance LED license plate lights, and here is what they look like right here. Those are them. They're just two LEDs. They have about, I think, 36 LEDs maybe on each side. There's a lot of LEDs and they're pure white color. So before I start the install, I would also like to mention that I will be giving away an LED interior kit as well as LED license plate lights that I'm going to be installing, and LED side markers with LED fog lights, all from BimLand Performance. These are all BimLand Performance LEDs, so you're going to get a full interior kit and basically a full exterior kit for your BMW e46. Stay tuned to the end of this video to learn how to actually participate in this giveaway if you do in fact have an e46. There's a couple things you're going to need for this. I'm going to be showing you this on my 2002 BMW e46. The couple things you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to take off your actual license plate, if that's how it's held in. You're going to need a Phillips head to actually take off this bracket, that black bracket right there. You can see I already took off my license plate, and you might need a plastic pry tool just to pop off the LEDs. You can use to pop off the clear covers that are holding the LEDs, and you can use a screwdriver, but plastic pry tool might save your paint a little. So, as you can see, I already took off my license plate, but I'm going to take off this bracket to make it easier for them to flip off. So I'll just do a quick time lapse of that. Now come up to one of the actual clear lenses holding on the license plate. As you can see, there's one right here that the camera's in frame on, and I'm just going to take a plastic pry tool on either side. I'm going to start with the inner side towards the trunk handle and just pry down. As you can see, it popped right down. I actually dropped that on the ground, but that's okay. So now that that's out, same thing. What we're going to do is we're going to just pry down with our plastic pry tool and pop out the old bulb, as you can see right here. And now we're going to install our new BimLand's Performance LED bulb. Alright, so now you're going to take your bulb. Here's my new BimLand's Performance one, and hopefully you can see it goes in one way. Make sure it's straight. So I did the lettering facing in towards the actual car. So now let me turn my car on to make sure they work. And as you can see, the light is on. So let's take a step back so you can see what the other one looks like. And as you can see, that is what the other one looks like. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to take our actual cap and position it back on. So we line it up. You want these bars facing out towards the outer side of the car. I'm going to line up the left-hand side and push in the right-hand side, and it snaps back in. So let me get another shot of showing what it looks like before and after, and I will get some shots tonight of what it's going to look like. You can see how much brighter that is. You can see how much light we're seeing on the left-hand side, and I know it's daytime, and you can see how much light we're seeing on the right-hand side, and it's really not that much. I will be doing a, like I said, I'll be doing a little shot tonight showing you what the actual bulbs will look like at night. So now I'm going to do the other side. I'm just going to do a quick time lapse of doing the other side. Alright, now that they're both in, let me just turn them on and make sure they both work. Bam, and as you can see, they're both now on and installed. So now all we have left to do is just put back this frame and put your license plate back on. So I'm going to do that right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video of showing you guys how to install BimLand's Performance LED license plate kit. As I did say, I am giving away a LED kit, so I will be showing you guys how to enter. I'll be showing you guys in the next clip what I'm actually giving away and going over how to enter. So stay tuned to the next part. Hey guys, so I just want to give you a quick look of what the actual LED, the license plate lights look at night, and as you can see, they are super bright. They look awesome. I'm absolutely in love with them. I'm really happy that I decided to do these. As you can see, my other LED taillight is dead. I have another one in my house. I just have to fix the seal on, so I will be replacing that. But if you take a look at them, see if we can focus on the ground or something so you can see how really bright they are. Yeah, so you can see when it overexposes. They're super bright. They more look like that. They have a nice color to them. I really like how they look. They're pure white color, no blue tint to them at all, so they do look awesome. So I just want to share you guys with that. These are the BimLand LED license plate lights for the E46. So if you guys stuck around this far in the video, here's where I'm going to talk about the giveaway. So for this giveaway, I'm giving away a BMW e46 LED kit that's sponsored by BimLand Performance. In this kit, it's a 14 bulb LED kit. You're going to get every single bulb you need for the interior of your BMW e46. It even does the trunk lights and glove box. It does everything. It's really cool, and they do emit a pure white color. This is their V2 kit, unlike the V1 kit that I did install. I now have the V2 kit in my car, which is this exact same kit. I will also be giving away BimLand's Performance LED fog lights along with their wire harness cancelers to, if you get any lights on your dash, it will take that out. I didn't need these, but I shut off the cold check and warm check for them, but those are always nice to have. And lastly, I'll be giving away BMW e46 LED side markers, also by BimLand Performance, and BimLand's Performance LED license plate light. This is all one package. It's going out to one lucky winner. And all you have to do to enter this video, all you have to do to enter this giveaway, I'm going to make it super simple. 1, be subscribed to my channel. 2, like this video. And 3, comment down below what BMW e46 you have. You can say the year, model, manual or not, and just let me know some of the mods that you've personally done to your BMW e46. Unfortunately, this is a BMW e46 specific LED kit, so yeah, you have to have an e46 to enter this contest. And lastly, it will be free to ship it to anywhere in the United States, but if you do live internationally, I'm probably going to have to charge for shipping just due to the expensive shipping cost of shipping it overseas or internationally. So if you live in the United States, shipping will be free, and if not, if you win and you're international, you will have to pay shipping. But it's not bad at all because this kit is pretty expensive and it's going out to one lucky winner. Like always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, whether about the giveaway or about the actual install of the LED license plate lights, which you saw a demo of and what they look like and how to install, which are right here, and they're super bright, pure white color. I love them. So you'll also be getting those. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.